All right, let's do this example. Find the derivative of h of t, defined there. It's a fifth degree polynomial in two ways. First, by distributing before differentiating, and secondly, by use of the product rule. Right? If we give ourselves a new rule, it's probably best to test it out on something that we know we can do without the rule and make sure that everything checks out. We get what we would expect. So the derivative of h of t, let's first not differentiate just yet and just copy down what h of t is. 2t cubed times t squared minus 7t. And the first way that we wanted to do it was to distribute and then differentiate. So if I distribute the 2t cubed, I get a 2t to the fifth minus a 14t to the fourth. And now if we differentiate, we get 10t to the fourth. 14 times 4 times 2 is 28, 56. 56t cubed. Okay. Now the second way that we're going to differentiate this is by use of the product rule. So when we differentiate 2t cubed times t squared minus 7t, we can think of this as the product of this and this. And the product rule tells us that we choose one to differentiate, we copy it down, or rather we copy down the other one, and then we just add the opposite of what we just did. So this derivative is going to be, let's differentiate the 2t cubed first. The derivative of 2t cubed is 6t squared. And then I'm just going to copy down the other product, or the other term in the product, t squared minus 7t. I will then add to that, I will copy down the 2t cubed, because that's what we differentiated over here. And now I will differentiate the parentheses, the 2t minus 7. All right, so let's just remind ourselves of what the product rule was. Should have done this before we started. The derivative of f times g, differentiate one, copy the second, and then add the opposite of what you just did. The derivative of the g times the function f. So if we went through here, this was f times g. This was the derivative of f, copied down g, plus, the copied down version of f, and the derivative of the parentheses g. All right, that looks a little bit different than what we got over there on the left side of the page. Let's double check to make sure that everything is right. 6t to the fourth minus 42t cubed plus 4t to the fourth minus 14t cubed. So I've got 10t to the fourth and minus 42 plus 14, 56t cubed. I get the same thing.